All right, so here we are in Windows XP, and it looks about the same as it did when I last used it, probably about a decade ago. Anyway, I've set myself the goal of trying to get Minecraft working within Windows XP. Now, I would like to get the latest version working, which currently is 1.21, but we'll see how new we can get, and if we run into any issues, we'll see if we can fix them. Otherwise, we might have to go down to some older versions and just see how new we can get. So I've got some goodies here, the first of which is the Minecraft installer from the website, and this is the latest version created August 1st, so not that old at all. And surprisingly, this just runs just fine on Windows XP, and you can install it and there's no issues. When it comes to opening it, you have a problem. It is not a valid Win32 application. Now you've got to remember, XP came out around 2001 and Minecraft initially came out in 2009, but it was supporting Windows XP when it launched. So it certainly is compatible with XP to a certain extent. It's just the updates since all these years ago that have, I guess, broken the compatibility. So I'm going to press Control-C to copy that error message, and we're going to go into Spermium, which is a Chromium-based web browser for Windows XP. And here's the error message I just copied. I'll get rid of all that. All right. Oh, we don't have Snap. I forgot Snap wasn't a thing in XP. So this is a 64-bit executable. I don't think it is though. What I could try is I could go into the Minecraft folder and see if any of the compatibility options help me. But to be fair, these are just older operating systems, so we might not have any luck. Let's try though. Yeah, no. Doesn't like that. Okay, I'm going to try and find a Windows XP extended kernel of some sort, which leads me to Reddit again. One core API seems to be the go-to. So this, what is this? Binary releases of the one core API project compatible with Windows XP Service Pack 3. Okay. All right, this looks like what I want. Allows you to run all this, which is pretty cool. That's awesome. Wow. Okay, let's download it. It doesn't look like it's a regular installer. It might be a bit tricky to get this installed. Installation order, base, TLL's branding, D3. Okay, so we've got a bit of work to do. Let's extract that. And x86 is what we want. Next, agree, next. All right, let's not restart yet. We're going to do the DLLs next. And finally, app compat is being installed now. And that's done. And we're going to reboot right after that. And we're back. Let's go straight to the Minecraft launcher and see if we get any further. We do. Unable to update the Minecraft native launcher. Okay. All right. So this means it is actually launching. Now it's having a connectivity problem of some sort, or it could be a file access problem or something like that. I have just noticed the time is wrong. So let's adjust this to the correct time. This might be causing SSL issues, which could cause network problems. Okay, that's not correct. Let's try this one more time. Okay, same error. That's fine. Let's use Spermium again and see if we can find anything on this error message. All right, I think Reddit's going to be our answer, but we'll see. Everything's so fast. All these little GIFs are so fast. Looks like a registry issue affected this guy, so we might have a problem when it's trying to reference the registry. A repair. Okay, so these are errors from Windows 10. That's fair. Okay, no worries. We could just try a different launcher. I like to use Prism Launcher, so let's try that first of all and see if that's something that'll let us get any further. Now, I suspect this won't work because of the C++ redistributable, but let's try it. Let's try it. Why not? Install. Run.
Good boy.
Not a valid Win32 application. Okay. Okay, that's fine. This may be 64-bit, so we might want to choose a different launcher again. There's a few different ones we could try, so let's just get a list. Hello Minecraft launcher. Man, these all look like cracked launchers. We don't want cracked. I'm just going to try really quickly changing the compatibility section again, because we should have new options here, which we do. I'm going to run it in Windows 10 mode. Same error. That's okay. All right. There's something called X Minecraft Launcher. Open source Minecraft launcher with a modern UI. We could try that. Oh, it's an AppX package. That might not work. We can try the zip, which is 102 megabytes. All right, let's see if this will work. I don't think we're gonna have any luck. If this is an Apex package in a zip, it's definitely not gonna work. Okay, so we're in the zip right now. Windows is really weird. I don't know why it likes to open zips instead of just extracting them. All right, extract, continue. Well done, wizard. X Minecraft launcher, let's run that. dwrite.dll was not found. Okay, we can try changing the compatibility options again, but I think it already is kind of doing this in the background automatically. So we'll probably just get the same error, yeah. All right, so on to the next launcher. Why is everything like playing at like 10 million speed? That's so funny. All right, let's keep trying. All right, so first we're going to try Titan Launcher, which has got an old copyright date. It's just Minecraft Launcher.exe. I don't trust this at all. It needs a newer Java runtime environment. Well, actually an older Java runtime environment. 1.8.0. I mean, I can get that, I guess. I've got a JRE file, but it's not the right version, I don't think. We'll install it anyway. Java 8 requires a newer version of Windows. You may continue with this installation, but for Java to work as specified, we recommend upgrading your computer's operating system. Please refer to blah, blah, blah. But this is the best operating system. We're never going to upgrade. We're going to use Java as is. Yeah. Let's leave it in the original folder. That's fine. 3 billion devices run Java. Probably not anymore. All right, we've got it. We've got it now. Awesome. Not worried about that. Let's just see if this fixes this. No? What about this? No. Okay. But now, maybe we can run this. No? What about the other one I downloaded? This one. Titan Launcher. Just doesn't seem to be doing anything. Is it in Task Manager? No, I don't see it. Let's try Luna Client. This is just a mod pack, I think, in a Windows executable. So I don't think this is going to be quite what we want. But let's try it. Windows 7 and above is required. Okay. Gonna play that game? Luna Client. Properties, compatibility, Windows 10. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. We're Windows 7 and above. Internet connection seems to be unavailable. Please reconnect. No, it's just because I don't have like certificates. Bruh. What are you even trying to connect to? Like, do I have to run Wireshark and get whatever the server is that you're trying to connect to and then download the certificate and then trust the certificate and then do this again? I don't really want to do that. But yeah, this is probably just to do with an expired certificate. Like if we go into Cert Manager, why the heck is it in not English? You'll probably find that a lot of these have expired by quite a while. Before I go too far into the certificates, let's just try Googling this error. There is a wiki to disable, what is it? Enabling TLS 1.2. I am on XP and I think this is enabled by default, but let me just check. So this is in the options, which is this, and then advanced. Yeah, I believe it's on because 1.0 is the oldest here. Yeah. Also, this is for the bad Lion client. So we're going to get the same error there anyway. I'm not going to try that if Luna Client doesn't work. ET Launcher in partnership with Nodecraft. Let's download this. Windows setup. The web browser just closed. Oh no, it thought it crashed, but it was actually fine. Let's run this. Oh, okay. All right, let's fix that. Okay. AT Launcher, properties, compatibility, run in Windows 10 mode. Apply, okay. Double click, run. Wow. Next, accept, next. Oh, it's installing Java for me. Error sending data -214689. Yeah, okay. Okay, mate. Let's see. What does this come up with? Cryptographic operations have failed. It's certificates again. Like, are all the certificates on here just like not up to date? Then like, how can I browse the web, you know? I'm probably better off just setting up like a proxy server to like man in the middle the certificates and then just have like a certificate for the proxies trusted on this machine so that it doesn't actually care what's on the other end because it's only talking to the proxy. I hope I don't have to do that because it would be a pain in the ass, but it might be our next option. Could try the portable version. That might work better because it doesn't have to download anything, I hope. Though it is only 25 meg, I think it will have to download something. Oh, no, I've not done that. Okay, that was good though, because that was a Java menu. So let's make a folder for it and launch it from here. Okay, all right, this is the most progress we've had so far. AT launcher is starting up. Let me get rid of all this crap on my screen. No, go away, Luna. I don't care. All right. English. Let's turn off analytics in case it breaks it. Out of date Java. That's fine. It wants to update it. Wait, what is it asking to do? Automatically update. Okay. It's going to fail to download it though, I bet. No, it's fine. It's taking a while on this little step right here. Please don't fail. Oh, whoa. Hey, whoa. I was just looking at the Chrome and it came up. Okay. We're in the launcher. Latest update is from 2 months ago with the Microsoft account login issues, but that's fixed a long time ago now. Yes. All right. Can we add an instance? I don't know how to use this launcher. All right. This isn't getting anywhere. It's been like a minute now and I'm impatient. Oh, wow. Okay. So AT launcher ones work. CurseForge ones don't. And I'm mad that I've clicked on it now because I'm stuck again when it was just working. Yes. All right. I'm out of it. Install the basic one. New instance. I have no account selected. Okay, I've got to log in with Microsoft. Unblock that. Let me try that again. All right, this looks totally secure. Let's give it my details. I probably took too long. Let's try again. Signing complete. The account's there. We've got it. God, how do I use this launcher? I think I want to just add a pack of like a basic. Oh no, we could just do this. All right, we're creating one. 1.21, no loader, just going to do default vanilla, create instance. I think it's downloading. Only 700 megabytes to go. Come on. Okay, it's installed. Here it is. I'm going to click play, probably offline to start with, and let's see if it launches. Here we go. Minecraft crashed. Error occurred during initialization of VM. Could not reserve enough space for object heap. I think it wants more RAM. How much RAM do I even have on this thing? I think I gave it a fair bit. It's got 4 gig, which I think is the max that 32-bit can do. It needs 1 gig. Okay, well, what if I just close the browser and all this crap? Will that be enough RAM? Let me just check how much we've got now. Yeah, we've got like a ton free. This doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Java is running though, but no increasing memory usage. It's not loading anything. I think we'll have to kill it. I forgot to launch it offline, so I think that's where it got stuck. You want to keep the console open as well, so let's keep that there. Instances, play offline. Could not reserve enough space for object heap. Same thing. It got pretty far though. Loading pack, loading Minecraft with the following arguments. Wait, minimum 1024. Can I change those arguments? Let me also just confirm that what that error means is there's a memory issue. This seems like a reasonable option. Let's try that. So we'll add that argument to it. Don't click settings because settings seems to crash the launcher. So instance, edit instance. Damn it. No, I need to actually change the arguments it uses. That should apply to all of them. I'm going to drop this to 512. This might be the same thing anyway as what I've added here, but we'll see. Okay, let's try again. Play offline. Yeah, same thing. It needs more RAM. I need to get rid of this. What is setting this XMX amount right here? Like, it's too much. 512. We have to go to 512. Max perm 128. It's using the default runtime, which is fine. We can try changing that if we don't get any luck with this. Maybe the legacy one will work. Actually, no, I think that's too old for 1.21, but let's see if that helps. Yeah, no, same error. Okay. Let's try Java 16. Man, that's a slow server. Whatever's hosting this is not very quick. The next obstacle I suspect we'll have is with OpenGL. Now, I don't think Windows XP has proper support for whatever version of OpenGL we need for Minecraft 1.21. So even if this works, we'll have to figure that out. Maybe there's a kind of alternative like rendering API or whatever it's called that will save us. Same thing. Happens with a 32-bit JRE. Oh no. People are all saying not enough memory. This is a 32-bit machine though. I'm pretty sure even if I gave it more resources, it's not going to be able to use it. So it's got 4 gig now. Let me just try installing some more RAM and see if that helps. Okay, we've got more RAM installed now. Let's see if it's recognized though. Man, XP was slow when you first sign in. How is it still loading? Did I not click on it? Oh, there it is. 16 gig of RAM. Wait, so has that worked? No way. What? I think it's worked. Let's try it. Yeah, could not reserve. I'm gonna see if I can find anything to get us past this point, and I'll come back. Okay, I got a different error now. I've tried to run a 64-bit version on a 32-bit version of Windows and it doesn't work, obviously. So that was dumb. Let me try something else. So I've tried a few things, but it looks like the game basically just needs more RAM. Because we're on 32-bit, you can't get over the 4 gig limit. And in Java especially, Java 32-bit doesn't seem to like giving out more than 2 gigs of RAM total. So our only option is to upgrade to 64-bit. But that would just be too easy, wouldn't it? So now we get to find the driver for the virtual hard drive on this machine. Great. Okay, now we can proceed. Yes, the classic Windows XP introduction music. So turns out I installed the wrong version. So let's do that again. Okay, so here we are on Windows XP 64-bit edition, and let's change that wallpaper to be a bit more classic. That's better, but we got to stretch that. There we go. All right, so I've not installed everything just yet, but I've copied over the goodies folder, so we should have our instances here, which we do. I'm just going to go ahead and click play offline and see what happens. Oh, nothing happened. I seem to have hidden the console. But it looks like it failed to reserve the memory again. So let's just make sure I've got, yeah, okay, let me up that amount. Save that. Okay. Fatal exceptions occurred. Invalid maximum heat size. Okay, still getting 4. Maybe it's the instance that has to change. Damn, okay, let's do a bit of a middle ground then. Let's go with 3 gig. Just gonna change the Java runtime to a bit of a newer one, see if that helps at all. The other thing I haven't considered is this could very well be a 32-bit launcher and it may not want to launch Java 64-bit. Java W32, yeah, so this launcher is running in a 32-bit version of Java. Let's open up Spermium again. And we're going to download Java. Okay, I've got the effectively latest version of Java you can get for Windows XP. And I'm just going to install it right here. Awesome. Interestingly, I got this executable from HuaweiCloud.com and I'm not sure if they're allowed to be distributing this. Yeah, weird. Okay, I'm going to try and also install a 64-bit version of Java, but as is, it doesn't seem to work. It just sends an error pop-up. So I wanted to use the compatibility tab, but I don't think this is going to work because it has a digital signature. It might not let me use compatibility mode for whatever reason. But anyway, there's a command line tool here to remove the signature from the executable, and I'm gonna attempt to do that. So let's use command prompt. We're gonna go to downloads. I can spell it right. There we go. It's in here, and then we're gonna do del cert exe, and then just specify the JDK. Succeeded. So now in theory, this no longer has a certificate attached to it. However, there's still no compatibility tab, so I was wrong on that. Now I've found something called multi-MC, which may help us, but now I've just got to wait 40 seconds for no reason. Thanks, RapidGator. And now we can download at a snail's pace. 4 minutes. Okay. Oh, it's a corrupted zip. Thanks, RapidGator. Love you. You're the best. I found this guy's webpage from Skipster1337. It's got a bunch of Windows XP apps on here. And basically everything you need to know about running Windows XP. in the modern day. But yeah, Minecraft, it looks like 1.16.5 is the last version that they were able to get working with Java 8. I was hoping that we could get a bit further with Java 16, but because we can't even get it installed, it's not going to work. Okay, I was able to extract it with 7-zip, but the headers were broken. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. American English, let's try installing it. Yes, let's raise that a bit. Next. You didn't select the Java version or selected something that doesn't work. Will not be able to start Minecraft. Wait, let's try again. Next. No? Okay. No. Do not update. This just looks like Prism Launcher. Okay. Launch offline. Yeah, okay. So it's going to say this. It's going to say Java 16 is required. That's fine. We don't have a way of installing Java 16. All right, let's just try Java 17, see if that's any better. Okay, that installation failed. All right, what about this one? You may continue, but we require or recommend upgrading your operating system. Could not be completely installed. No way. Since we can't install it, I'm just going to pop it right in here as a binary. And we're going to point the multi-MC launcher to it. So documents, downloads, new Javas, Java 17, binaries, and we want Java W. Right here. Test. Succeeded. Okay. Let's launch this offline. Wow. Okay. What did we get? Failed to find Minecraft main class. Okay. Failed to reconstruct Minecraft assets. Okay. That's good though. This is the furthest we have gotten. All right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install some mods. First of all, so we'll start with Fabric. We're gonna install the latest version, and just launching it again with that Fabric loader gives me a different error. It wants a more recent version of the Java runtime. Specifically 65 when I've only got 61 in my current version. So what I might try then is just downloading the most up-to-date version of Java just as a binary. Yeah, JDK 22. I suspect this won't work, but it couldn't hurt to try. All right, JDK 22. Let's copy that across. Now I'm going to change to the new version, which should be in here. Test. Succeeded. Launch offline. Okay. Can we do it? No. Invocation target exception. It still wants a more recent version of Java. Oh, I've got to change this one. Hang on. Launch offline. Maybe this will work? Bruh. Could not initialize class. Blaze 3D systems render system. Okay. So this is a rendering issue now. After loading LWJGL, it looks like. What I could try for this is installing a different renderer and trying to get it to use that. So let me just try Mesa for Windows, which is a 7Z file. And I need well, not that. I need 7-zip, which I think just runs natively, right? I mean, let me see. It hasn't changed much. Yeah, it just works. That's so good. But yeah, now we can extract to a folder. And here's OpenGL32. Extract to the same directory as application executable. So for Minecraft, this is probably in the instance. So I'm going to grab that. So for this to work, we need to replace the DLL in system32 here, which I'm just going to put it here to make it easier again. This is OpenGL32.dll. I just want to rename this to old, and then we can put this new one in. And I'm just going to reboot to make sure that we're fully ready to experience this. Okay, we've come so far now. Where's my launcher? It's in downloads, which I'm just going to add a shortcut to here because I've opened this a million times now. Multi-MC. We're using multi-MC version 0613 something. we're going to try and launch this offline. Not seen any progress on this yet. It looks like it is hung up on something to do with fabric. So we could try not using fabric if we have a problem with that. I'm going to kill this instance. Now I've just temporarily removed the fabric loader. So if we go back to the log and launch offline, maybe a task manager will reveal what's actually going on here. Well, we can see Java's using about 260 megabytes of memory. It's not increasing, which tells me it's not really loading. No CPU usage yet. All right, let's kill that and just try it one more time. Oh, okay, that changed a bit. It settled on 264 and kind of stopped. Other logs doesn't have anything. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to try these two again and see if there's any difference. Oh. Oh. We're in game. Holy crap. How is it not crashed? It mustn't be a time thing then, because like once it's loaded, it seems like it's fine now and I can like move it around and it's okay. What the heck? Minecraft 1.21 and we're on Windows XP. See, about Windows. Windows XP Professional 64-bit edition. This is the build we're on. Service Pack 2. It's running. This Minecraft thing up here is just because of my texture pack. I have this this like hidden totem texture pack thing. It fixes it so you don't see the totem when you're playing with it in your offhand, but it breaks the menu. Actually, maybe it's from Faithful. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, there you go. See, the menu's fine. It's just the texture pack I have is broken. It does it on Windows 10 as well. All right, let's get rid of all this crap. Can we make this any bigger? Oh, I'm pushing my luck here, man. Okay, we're in game. Have I got sound? No, we don't have sound. That's okay. Let's try going to a single player world. Okay. I'm going to call the world XP. Random seed. Let's give ourselves a bonus chest, make it a bit easier. And create new world. And I'm hoping this works. I have no idea how this is going to run. Or not run. So it just crashed. What happened here? Error file was created with more information. I suspect that crashed exactly when it tried to render like the first frame of something in 3D. There's the sound error, so sound didn't work because of this. That's fine. Shader render type, blah, blah, blah. I've not got like some silly shader pack on or something, do I? Fabric API, Vulkan. Let's try adding in sodium, just sodium, and see if that helps us at all. Because the better we can get this to run, the more chance we have of it getting into a world successfully. It seems that with sodium, it just becomes increasingly more unlikely to launch successfully. But potentially once we're in game, it might just be way better. So it looks like it's loaded this time. I don't have the mod like display menu installed, so I can't tell that Fabric's actually loaded sodium. But if I get in game, it would probably show me that. Come on, please load the frame. Come on, don't crash. Come on, just one frame. Just one frame. Preparing spawn area. Oh, we're stuck there. I might try importing a world from my main PC. Just in case the issue is with the world. We don't want to have an issue there. Yeah, this one will work. Test after reimage. Okay, let's kill the instance. So edit instance, worlds, open folder. Let's paste in the world here. That's ready to go. And let's see if we can get into the actual, into the game. So launch offline. Man, getting a successful launch out of this takes like 10 attempts. See, this one got stuck even further in. Okay, that was like 30 attempts later. We got one to load. Now, this world's already generated and you can tell because it has a screenshot, whereas this one doesn't. Because the screenshot's made when the game saves. This may still not work, but we'll give it a try. Oh, that just dropped. Yeah, that's not good. When you see like 20% CPU drop to 0, generally something's crashed. Yeah, okay. All right. It's not going to load it. It's not going to do it. Man, I'd love a developer that actually knows how Java works and stuff like that to tell me why this only seems to launch 5% of the time. Like there's gonna be some logical reason why that's happening, like whether it's because it's loading something only sometimes that's crashing it, or it's or like something's timing out, or something's like being excluded for whatever reason. Like, I don't know. It's really weird though. Maybe it would help if I disable the network card so it doesn't try and like check in with all those things. Man, we're not even getting close. Imagine every time your friends want to like play with a game on Minecraft with you, you have to be like, oh yeah, hang on, just give me 20 minutes while I try and load in. And it's literally like you sitting there spamming it, hoping that it just works and that you don't have to spend all night trying to get to the main menu. Oh my God. You just have to like never turn off your computer basically. You just have to always be on Minecraft in the menu just in case. I'm turning fabric back on just to see if that helps at all. Oh God. Okay, that should have launched, but it didn't because of whatever this error is here. Oh my God, there's so much. This all looks like HTTP stuff. That's fine. Let's get rid of sodium. Whoa. Hey, whoa, okay. Vulkan loader not found. All right, so we don't want to use Vulkan. Come on. Okay. We're in and we're in modded, and this wasn't here before, so we mustn't have been in modded before properly. I mustn't have checked something, but we're in modded now. This may just work as is, but I'm going to be extra careful, and I'm going to turn down everything to the minimum possible settings to try and make it as easy on this as possible. These other ones down here look like they're all like visual things, not really graphics. Okay, settings are turned down. What's the bet it's gonna work? I don't know, man. I'm gonna try it. No. Problematic frame is in kernel32.dll, which is not a good place to have an error because that's an issue with Windows basically if there's an error there. Yeah, prepared spawn area. For whatever reason, it tried to change the view distance, but that was fine. Didn't error there. Yeah, it looks like a bunch of Windows issues. On the off chance that it is an issue starting the server, I might just try joining an external server. So I'm going to launch online, which I haven't tried yet, but it should work pretty similarly. And success. Okay, we're logged in. We should be able to play online. Oh God, unblock. It just crashed opening the multiplayer menu. It's complaining about Windows kernel 32 DLL again. There is an error report here. I might look at this as well. So two things we're going to do. We're going to look at the error message for the kernel, and then we're going to open this as well. So this is, get rid of task manager. This is very debuggy. Man, that's funny. Heap dump path. Mojang tricks Intel drivers for performance. What the heck? Yeah, this looks like it's kind of just like a bit of a memory dump / Java dump that I can't decrypt on my own. All right, let's move to this. Someone says they had the kernel 32 error and it was a NVIDIA driver causing the problem. I found this, which seems like it's entirely not the thing I need right now. I saw someone say that it helped, so I'm going to try it. Okay, that's now done. All right, so we've got those new DLLs. Graphics all turned down. We're not going to click multiplayer because it crashes the game. We're just going to try and load this world one more time and see if we get anywhere. Come on. Damn it, man. I think it's the OpenGL file, and I was kind of hoping it wasn't because that means if I have to remove this, I may not be able to launch the game at all. I'm going to launch again. There's some big red scary messages, but these are all on, like network related. Yeah, we're using 1.2 gig, which is where we want to be. And click play, selected world. Oh, well, it's crashed, like a soft crash though. Like no CPU, but the memory is the same. It's just not going to respond. So we're going to end that. I'm going to try multiplayer again now that we've disabled mods and see if that helps at all. Okay. All right. I don't want to join any of these servers because they're probably a bit too much for it. So I'm just going to host a world on my other computer and join it from here. No, I was too slow. It crashed. All right. So I'm on my main version of Minecraft here. I'm just going to create a temporary world. Yes. All right. Here's Minecraft. Options. Oh yeah, open to LAN. Port 3030 is fine. So that's now running. All right, let's launch again. Okay, we're in. Now multiplayer. And it should find it here. Actually, it might not because of how my networking is set up on this computer. but I should just be able to go to the server address itself, which is .109. And it should be on port 3030. Can I actually get to that address though, I wonder? I might have to just quickly disable the firewall on my other computer. Damn it, it crashed. No. Does this version of Windows have PowerShell? I don't think it does it? Can I run PowerShell? Nope. So it's probably not going to have the test network connection command. Or can I do what I'm trying to do through command prompt? No. Okay, so I can ping my other computer now. I just need to get into the game, so hopefully it just works. Okay, we're back in. I got the firewall off. I can connect. This should ping and resolve. Or maybe not. It should just connect though. Come on. No? Why no connect? Damn it. No. Okay. I think that is as far as we're going to be able to get with this. Unfortunately, no, Windows XP cannot run Minecraft 1.21. But it should be able to run some older versions. So let's see how far back we have to go. Now with this launcher, I can just add other instances for what I want, like whatever version. So let's just go back to 1.20.6, which should be a bit different at the very least. Failed to find Minecraft main class. I think it's using the wrong version of Java.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
It's got sound working. That's a good start. Okay. It immediately launched on the first go, which is incredible. We're going to have to make a world because I didn't import any. Oh God, please don't crash. Oh, it's already crashed. No crash. God damn it. Let me just download a world real quick then. Yes, and then we should be able to load this. Or not. No, we cannot load this. All right. So 1.20.6 is a no-go. Let's jump down a bit to 1.19 and we'll see if that works. Oh my God. What is this? We got a window. That's good. Progress. Oh man, it's struggling. That background is not smooth. I am going to click single player and hope it doesn't crash in the preparing for world creation thing. So here we go. Cool. Okay. New world, survival. Create. Come on, Minecraft. Oh my God. Oh, it stopped. No. It got to 31%. I'm going to send the error report to Microsoft. Okay. And while that's doing that, I'm going to grab that world again. Oh, report complete. Nice. Hide and seek prison map. We're going to pop that into here. I think the issue we've got right now is not that the game isn't able to load in. I think it's just that it takes too long and there's like a limited amount of time that the game will stay running for whatever reason. And I've not got a way of fixing that. So I just want to see some dirt blocks. If I see some dirt blocks, I consider that a win. So it'll take some work, but hopefully we can do it. Oh, that's really upsetting when it crashes there. It completely is not following my 1 gig memory limit rule that I gave it. So I don't know what that was about then. I don't know what this is. Unsupported JNI version detected. Change to Java 17, it says. So that's why we can't use Java 17. Yep, Java 21 doesn't work either. So we just have to change to the one I was using again. Oh no, it was so close. God damn it. Okay. This world. Play. Oh my God, please. It's really maxing out that CPU. I think I need to enable 3D acceleration somewhere. Damn it. Loading HSDS library failed. Is that what the problem is? Huh. Okay, so maybe I should try OpenJDK instead of Java. Let's grab JDK 21 actually. Can this not be always on top? Oh, is that not a feature in Thingo? Oh no, it is. Turn that off. Okay, so how do I download this? I'm going to change the Java version to OpenJDK 22. Succeeded. Launch offline. Okay. All right. I'm going to match the version of Java I was using before with their OpenJDK equivalent. Wow, it doesn't like the driver not supporting OpenGL. Well, just for lols, let's add a really old version of Minecraft. Something like 1.18. We'll add that. I don't know why it's being so picky about OpenGL right now. It wasn't earlier. Like 1.21 didn't care. It's still launched. So we're going to have to be a bit more drastic. 1.12 is a pretty good version of Minecraft. That's pretty popular. Oh my god, that was very quick and very... Wow. Okay, this seems very, very stable. I like that. I like stable. Wow, okay. New world, Windows XP. I do have a feeling 1.12 was kind of native to Windows XP now that I think about it. I don't know how old it is. It hasn't crashed yet, has it? Oh, it has crashed. That's good. Why is it crashed? What the heck? Minecraft 1.12, Windows XP. Oh, they use Java 8. Okay, so you'd have to... Yeah, we're back to here again. You have to download that old version of Java. That's a progress bar, all right? Okay, that's installed now. Awesome. What is this? Could not set pixel format. Pixel format not accelerated. Oh, I can fix that. Give me 1 second. All right, let's try that again. There we go. It's accelerated now. All right. Let's try making another world. Windows XP version 2. And we're in game. Okay. And this is a... Well, my mouse just does not work in this VM at all. Can I turn down that to like 0? There we go. Oh, nope. It's still not really perfect. It kind of works. So yeah, Minecraft runs. Now, some people I've found have been able to get version 1.19, I think .4, running on this without issues. That could probably be extended to 1.20, maybe 1.21 if you really tinker with it. But for most people, I've already kind of gone further than you'd expect. So I think the better approach is to take a version like this, ignoring the mouse issues, and then you would set up a server and get the server owner to install a plugin allowing old clients to join. So for example, if we save and quit, we go into multiplayer and we unblock that. I should be able to join the crisscross server, which is this address. And if we just click play, we can join just fine. And currently I'm underground, so I can't see anything. Let me go to above ground. And here we are, we're on 1.21, basically. And other people can join just fine. So if I log in on my other computer right now, there I am, and I can TPA this guy to myself. And I'm in my castle, looking at the ground because the mouse doesn't work. But other than that, you know, this is Windows XP. This is the sky. That's my castle from 1.21. And the ground looks weird because these are like path blocks or something that are not in this version. But because you have like a old version connection plugin, basically, it lets other players join and it just converts those blocks into other blocks, so you can still play the game. So yeah, as the sun's rising, I think that's a good place to end the video for now. If you guys have had any luck running newer versions on XP, do let me know, and I'll probably have another go at it in the future. Obviously I have to virtualize XP, which makes things a bit harder than running on real hardware, because I can't just, you know, put an Nvidia card into it, for example. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it, or subscribe if you want more videos like this in your feed. You can check me out on Twitch sometimes. I stream like once a month. I'm really bad at it. You can also join my Discord. We are pretty active in there throughout the week. But otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.